In this video, I get to tell you a truth that I didn't realize was a truth. It is going to involve SMMA, GoHighLevel. If you don't know what that is, it's an all-in-one software. And how I've always said that GoHighLevel will never make you any money in these businesses. Services will make you money. And that is 99% of the truth. I would say that's 99.9% of the truth for 99.9% of the people. But for that 0.01% of the people, which you could become one, that isn't the truth. And I didn't realize that I was missing a very, very big piece in sharing the opportunity with my audience for those who are very or become very good in GoHighLevel. It's why I have my free resources section down below, where you can go through my GoHighLevel training in depth and learn a ton of stuff about GoHighLevel and possibly can offer what I'm about to go through in this video. See, this all started December 4th, 2023. What happened in December 4th, 2023, I had a student who reached out to me asking me for advice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go through a little bit about what he said. I'll post it up here or here, wherever it fits. And I'm going to go ahead and read it. One of our students, Anash, says, hey, I need your help. I have someone who wants all that GoHighLevel has to offer, but here's her requirements. And how the heck do I attack this? Do you unlock some of these features for me? Do I need to move to GoHighLevel and then get someone else to support blah, 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 blah? Basically, this business owner wants to take her entire GoHighLevel and convert it. I mean, her entire business in all these different softwares and convert it into GoHighLevel. Now, I forgot that this is what I used to do. When I moved from all the other garbage that I was using into GoHighLevel, moved my agency, my coaching business, everything, I converted. Part of my coaching offer actually was converting coaching students for $7,500, their coaching business into GoHighLevel. So I can say that GoHighLevel won't make you money 99.9% of the time, but for those of you who become very proficient in GoHighLevel, you could do a GHL conversion and offer that. I forgot I did it. It wasn't until he sent me this message that I said, geez, I actually used to do that. And so this person wants to integrate QuickBooks, Acuity, email automations, drip campaigns, follow-ups, they touch all the stuff that we all know how to do if you've been in GoHighLevel. It's all stuff that we know how to do. It's a lot of work. But this is where you can become very proficient in GoHighLevel and sell your expertise for the conversion. And this is the one time, the one offer that I believe can be used with GoHighLevel to actually say, I'm utilizing GoHighLevel to make money because I'm converting everybody into GoHighLevel. Now, it's still a service, right? So although I may sometimes have to eat crow, I would usually find that little inch in there to say, well, maybe I'm not completely wrong. So GoHighLevel conversion is a very high ticket offer that you can input into your SMMA. Now, I don't know if anybody is interested in that, but I can, in future videos, share with you how I converted. And let me just grab this. Or let me just log into, I already have it open. Take a look at my screen. Obviously, I have to blur out. But you could see back in 2021, I was charging, some of them are 2 pays, 3 pays, whatever, payment plans. So 2,500, 3,000, 3,000. Some of them are the same people. 3 pay of 2,500, 2 pay of 3,750. Here's a 7,500. It's another 7,500. These were all businesses that wanted to convert out of multiple different softwares into GoHighLevel, and I've already done it twice. I did it for my coaching business, and then I did it for my agency, where I had to convert out of it, and so I learned a ton of stuff. Now, a lot of people here will give me a ton of raised eyebrows or you know, all these gurus say you should be working on your business and not in your business. So I'm going to answer that with the nicest words possible. But before I do, here's a 15-second word from a sponsor you may have never seen before. And here's a word from me, the sponsor. I am challenging my audience to land their first client in your SMMA business within 10 days. It's possible, doable for anybody who is watching this. The challenge is going to start January 2nd, 2024. I have taught thousands of people this exact business model. I know what makes people succeed and what makes people don't. Overwhelm is the number one factor in failure. During this challenge, failure will not be an option because you are going to know exactly what to do. The challenge is free. It's going to start out by picking your niche, finding the service that fits that niche, offering that service, selling that service, fulfilling on that service, and then what to do next. It's going to go over 10 days, starting January 2nd, 2024. The link that explains everything, the layout, the bonuses, the prizes, and everything is down below. If you finally want to get rid of the overwhelm in your SMMA business, or even if you're brand new and you've watched 15 different gurus and you just don't know who to pick, start a challenge January 2nd, 2024. It'll push you to your limits, but guess what? Great things happen to those people who follow directions, being coachable, follow the rules, and puts in the work. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, obviously that was me as the sponsor, but this is how I would answer, is exactly how I would answer critics. In order to become excellent in something, you need to do it yourself. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not supposed to hire out things, but I am the type of business owner that says, I'm going to get in to the trenches before I go out and try to share with people on how to do things. I'm a coach. I've been doing it for a long time. How could I teach people to do something if I don't do it myself? Then it doesn't mean that we don't bring in experts and I learn from other people. I'm always learning. Most of my time now is in the trenches in learning and then shooting videos on what I've learned or what I've learned in the past. That's mostly what I do now in coaching, obviously. And so you got to get into the trenches. And so if this could be a very high ticket offer for people out there who really dive into GoHighLevel and learn it, the best way, as I've mentioned, is starting with my free resources, getting GoHighLevel under our affiliate link. We have that 30-day trial that not every affiliate has. And I have a ton of bonuses. Again, free resource down there. You can go check it out and go through the classroom, okay? Also, before I end this video and say a few more very important words, I do want to remind, because I'm going to forget, that challenge that I mentioned in the middle of this video, that link down there to join up for the challenge, because not everybody will be allowed to participate in it. It's going to be a cap on that as well for landing your first client or landing your next client, whatever it is, wherever you are in your SMMA journey. But this was an amazing, again, this is why I love students, because a lot of times they'll hit you on the side of the head with a bat, with a digital bat, and remind you of like, oh my God, you know what? I really did do that. Like, and it's a great high ticket offer. And I forgot that I did it. And so those payments were from conversions. You could become a GoHighLevel conversion specialist, and maybe somebody else out there wants to pay you to convert somebody they closed on it. Now, the finishing of that conversation with that student was, I told him, I said, hey dude, I'll do it for 10 grand. And he said, all right, I'll charge 15. I'm still waiting to hear back from that. But he's trying to go back and forth with him. Now, there is a specific way to sell this. I told him in that screenshot, you can go back. I think I caught that, but if I didn't, I'll just tell you what it is now. And I will do more videos on this, but you need to comment down below and say, yeah, you'd be interested in learning something like this. The way to sell that is you're offering a solution to all of their solutions, a one solution. And what you would do is, and this is what I did, I had a intake form. Actually, I asked them all the tools that they were using, and I went and what level it was on, and I went and researched the tool, and then I would email them back and say, okay, what levels are you on these tools? And I would add up the cost of that. And so if somebody's paying $2 grand a month in tools all over the place, and that doesn't even include time, which I would do in the pitch, that means it's 24 grand that they're spending a year. So why would they say no to a $10,000 or $15,000 offer? They're already in an ROI by $6,000 in the first year. But $11,000, $9,000 in the first year. And so the pitch is actually really easy, especially when it's B2B, because business owners get business. When it's B2C, there's a lot of like mindset changes with, the employee mindset and, I hate to say it, lazy mindset. But B2B a lot of times it's a lot easier to sell. That's why I love this business, because you're selling to businesses. And so if this is something that you actually want me to put together, share with you the assets that I used to pitch this to clients, charging them a high ticket and the intake forms and all that good stuff, comment down below and say you'd be interested in it. And to end this video, I'm going to say this. I'm trying to stay consistent with my content. I was sick. I was traveling. I was on podcasts. It's been a lot of back and forth. I apologize to you guys for not getting more out. I have like 15 videos now that I know I'm doing. So I'm already ordering thumbnails and getting them all ready. Sometimes the thumbnail is what stops me from uploading, by the way. Matter of fact, this video, I did my own thumbnail, for crying out loud, because I wasn't ahead of it, because I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. So a couple things down below, free resources, the challenge, sign up, or you may not be able to do the challenge because I'm capping it. And any affiliate links could be possibly down there. So I appreciate your time. I hope this video was worth the watch. I tried to keep it under 15 minutes. Hopefully I did. And I'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn those notifications on so you know when I post another video. Talk soon. Peace out.